Hey everyone, how's it going? And this is a Shipstation honest review. So, for a straightforward answer, this is great. Okay, this is a great application. As you can see, if we are on the experiences page, people say that they use it, they really like it, they've been using it for a few years, and prices and everything are good. You can get better service and same rates with Pireship for free, but Pireship isn't available everywhere, so just go for Shipstation. Also, for some people, as you can see right over here, it says the interface might be a bit tough to learn, but once you get to learn it, it's a really good thing. And then on the Shopify app, as you can see, that the support is a bit problem, but that's only for a few people, right? Not many people get this thing. I like Shipstation, but I have small problems once a month. This is the third shipping platform I've used. It's by far the best. Will be great, but it crashes during each print attempt. As you can see, there's a mixed review, and then another person, they say that it's awesome. They receive orders from Amazon and all these places, and it automatically does that for them, things like that. uh, Used it for 10 years. Okay, that's really good if this person has used it for 10 years. And let's see how many reviews they have. Okay, they do seem to have a few reviews. Okay, so this person is saying that it works well until it doesn't in a month, because they sometimes stop you from it, like being able to print labels. But honestly, these are some of the issues that you're gonna get from every places. But overall, the Shipstation review is good, and I would say if you're still looking for more options, then you can go ahead and watch other reviews. But this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.